Hey guys, sorry I'm late, super late. I've just had the most hectic life this week. It's just been one thing after another. Our lives have been mental. But I thought I would jump live and do this quick wee mystery box with you. Hopefully it's something good and not just rubbishy stuff. We've got loads of other wee lives as soon as Abbie's feeling better. So Abs, as you know, has had a bit of a chest infection. So she's getting an x-ray tomorrow to check out her chest. But she's really not been feeling great, unfortunately. She is slouched on the couch just now, watching the show in real time.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you've just got me, so you guys need to stick around and keep me company. She's fine, I swear. I've not got her tied up or anything. But you guys can support me by liking, commenting, sharing. We've got a load of lives coming. I've got a mystery clothing haul, not this one. A mystery clothing haul that's complete mystery. It's going to be random, it's going to be good. But we've also got my wife rates my team haul, so we've got that sitting there waiting as well, and our parcels as well. So we will get round to doing a bit of everything, but I thought I would jump live, do a little mystery box, and hopefully we find some good things. Okay. Halloween. Let's go. I'm hoping tomorrow she'll get... Oh my god, look! That's what Gianna's dressing up as.
What is it? Oh. Oh my god, it's for the dog! Babe! I don't...
Oh my god. Right, you've got to hang around to the end of the live. Look. Why are you laughing so hard, babe? That's amazing. How good is that?
Babe, Todd is... he's gonna eat you alive with that one.
No, he's not. You wait and see.
I love it.
Okay, this is a good start, right? I'll see if I can get Todd into the costume at the end. Good evening from Alabama. Sweet home Alabama. I'm a-coming home with you. We understand life is hectic. Spend the time with your babies and wife. Take care of Abs. I will, I promise. Right, we also have... That is going to be so cool, isn't it? How cute are the photos? If you've not seen it already, you need to go and give me some love on the post below. I was holding a piglet today, and I was in like a pig trailer with 10 piglets.
I'm feeling.
Abbie's raging. Oh, is it just armbands? Roll-ups. 2 sets of armbands. Todd now has to come to the party. Well, maybe. Could do that. Arrange that. Right. Friends Mango Bath Visor. I love this because it's random. I love a random mystery box, something that I've not seen a million times. Claire, it's awesome. That's quite cool. That can go in our big mystery box. I've got so much sorting out to do. I'll maybe do a live of sorting out all the stuff to go. Sport Art Support Insole. That's about the size of Abbie's feet.
That's a bit cheeky.
It's a bit true though.
Yeah, fit right up your...
We have Hydromol. Hydromol.
Oh, but that's for your verruca. That's a big old...
Oh no, actually it's for your psoriasis.
Oh yes, that might work.
Eczema, psoriasis and other dry skin conditions.
Oh, thank you. You put it on your
slobber you up, right, babe? You put it all over you and you come in the live covered in white. That'd be funny as hell.
No, I am not.
Babe, that'd be so funny. You do that. She will do it, I swear. Deep Action. 2-in-1 cleansing mask. I know, hopefully Abs gets good results tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Okay. Avocado smash. Oh, Gianna would love that. Ripe and ready. I don't even know what it is, but it's totally something that G would love. Oh, it's a game. This game is the most fun you'll ever have with an avocado. Contains 70 game cards and instructions. Ripe and ready for all the family. I don't understand what the game is. 60 avo cards, 4 change direction cards, smash. While turning over your cards, you must also count avocados allowed. So the first player always begins with 1 avocado. The next player must follow it in sequence, saying 2 avocados, and so on. Players continue up to 15 avocados. Got like 1 marshmallow. Check it out. Woo! Something like that. That's really cool though. I thought it was a face cream, not gonna lie. I'll close that back up. That'll be good for our box as well. Babe, this has got lollipops in the box. Epic Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste. Hello. Charcoal toothpaste. Hey, Darcy. Thank you for the stars, Regina. Right, I also have Kiss My Sass. Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. That's very debatable. I think she's got pneumonia, to be honest. So much has got, yeah. We do as well. We think that's what it must be as well. And the doctor,
medication for pneumonia, but
she's on.
So far, it's not working out.
Yeah, she's on the medication for it, but it's not clearing it. So that's why she's got to have a chest X-ray. Birthday candles. Ooh. Sharon says get well soon. What's this? Oh, it's an organiser. Oh, her ears went like that. A makeup organiser tray. She's got a few of them. Hey Laura. I wasn't sure MD was going to be on here because it's so late, but here we are. We roll. Nip and Fab highlight palette.
Oh, Jill, I won't know.
We also have 954. That would be a loser in Tombola.
Well, do you know what? See, when I was uptown today,
That was clearly a raffle.
there was a woman outside the Greg's and she had a big bucket with lots of raffle tickets all scrunched up in a ball, a full table with prizes with tickets on them. And I really wanted to ask her, so what's this kind of setup you're doing? Is it a tombola?
Can we follow it
Is it
or
a raffle or is it a raffola?
give her a good back pounding to loosen up her lungs?
It's not, because I've got an infection in my throat now. My bloody throat now. Can't breathe.
Illuminating hair accessory. Tonight is your time to shine. No idea what that is. That's actually my grandma sitting on the couch pretending to be Abbie. Hello dear, I'm just sitting here feeling good.
That's what I feel like.
Long coffin mat nails. Charcoal face mask, 3 of these. It is 10:30. Any guesses what's in it in this?
Salt and pepper.
Yeah, it is. It's salt and eatable.
Salt and pepper.
Right, everybody guess. Abbie thinks it's salt and
It
pepper.
absolutely is.
I'm going to set it to the side while you all put a guess in. All 2.5 thousand of yous. So I better check these comments, and it says 5,000 comments because you all took a guess what this is. Right, take a guess, write it in the comments, and I'll come back to it when you vote your guesses.
Babe, I feel like I shouldn't be saying this, but I'm going to say it anyway. Is that simple soap?
Skin detox bar.
Oh.
So,
Soap.
superfood skincare.
Oh, that looks good.
Well, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 days be good for the trick or treat.
Yeah. Go wash your face.
Yeah. Wash your face, you
Yeah.
filthy animal.
No, like, I'm not really told you yet, but we're actually going to go and surprise somebody.
I know, I read it. Sunglasses, nail polish, stress balls. Ooh, these are good guesses. Get well soon, Abs. Thank you, Karen. Candle holders, candles.
That's definitely salt and pepper.
Was wax melts or bath salts? Come on, keep your guesses coming in. I'll open a few more. Oh, Hudson would love that. Splash baseball. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much, Tracy. Did I just tap the box? Oh, but look at that, babe. Look, the water goes through it on your hose, it lifts the ball up and they hit it.
That is wow.
Isn't that well cool? So cool. Another cool prize. M's hips trainer. Oh, could do myself with one of them.
I could do that. Maybe give me a
Electrical muscle stimulator. Should I try it? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Think it'll work. You try and see you will think it up. I'm not being funny, but like, who made the mystery box and thought, do you know what? 5 Chubba Chubs. Like, we'll put a bum stimulator, cartoon style, soap bars, and 5 Chubba Chubs.
I'm never going to do what work this. I guess it's just silly.
Cherry flavour, raspberry and vanilla. Chubba Chubs are expensive these days. You're talking nearly £1 a pop. Thank you, Anne, for the stars. Right, let's open this. Let's see who was right. Were you right or were you wrong? Thank you, Rosie.
That's salt and pepper.
Is that what you want? You think it's salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Oh, I've not made a guess.
Well, I feel like that's kind of good because you're feeling it.
Nail polish.
Nah, it's too big. Too empty.
Right, ready? Oh. Oh. No one guessed it.
Huh?
No.
Never.
Oh, I've never had one of these in this. British Pinkster British gin. Look.
What is it? Gin?
Yeah. Or is it perfume? Should I try it and see? Oh, that smells like it could be perfume.
Is it gin?
It could still be perfume. Or it's something really, really strong.
Right, here, put this on.
Woo!
Here, babe, put this on.
Edinburgh mulled gin. Product of Scotland. Liqueur. Oh, it's burning all the way down, babe. Dawn! It's burning, baby!
Here, put this on.
What is it? No, you don't get to press the button. Where'd you put it?
On your bum.
What, on your trousers?
No, on your skin.
No, it doesn't show me that on the
Yes,
picture.
it does. Oh my god, she's got a bare bum.
Right, I'll think about it.
Just get it on.
No, I'm too scared.
Please.
Look at you, Abbie. Anything that could remotely...
Babe, if I gave a big laugh, it could remove the...
mucus.
Yep. Come on.
Jeez, babe, try that. That'll warm your soul up.
No thanks.
No, babe, have a wee sip and you tell me.
Struggling to breathe. I don't like gin.
One wee sip and I'll tell you something. You'll be like that. Whew! I can breathe fire right now from my soul. Gum care toothpaste. That would keep you warm. I'm warm. I'm very warm.
I'm going to have a wee hip flask like that on the Halloween party. Keep my goggles warm.
Weightless strobing quad. Right.
I like it.
Oh.
That looks a bit suspicious.
It's a solar panel, obviously.
Oh, of course.
Solar panel.
Obviously.
And we have an electronic pest repeller. Wonder if that works for wives.
You can't put it on your pillow.
Thank you for the stars, guys. Oh, I better try that one. That would be rude not to. Oh, no way. That tastes like Christmas. Mulled gin liqueur. That tastes like Christmas. Like it's cinnamony, burnt orange, very hot, spicy. Right, wait a minute. You need to hang fire for this. Speak amongst yourself. If anybody comes in and asks, just tell them I'm up to no good, right? In a wee second. You need to wait for it. Be patient. Right, Toe Todd, you've got this one. Wait a minute. Are you too big for this one, baby? No, maybe not. Stand up. Put that one in there. Put that one in there, I think. Oh no, that's not right. Wait, oh no, maybe it is. Oh no, you're too big. Or is it your front legs? Oh, it's just your front, I think. Here, this one. Try that one. Good boy. Todd says no. He's not a good boy. Don't growl at your fluffy brother. He's not growling at me, by the way, he's growling at his brother. Good boy. I don't know where that would go though. Under? Over? No, that was not right. Good boy. Where's your ear? Where's your knife gone? That is super. Oh, we've lost his leg in there somewhere. But I mean, I would be scared. That is like a scary Halloween costume, right? How cool is that? A few technical difficulties. Looks like an average Scotsman. He doesn't like it. You can have a shot too, Rollo, if you want. Here, Rollo. I'll try it on Rollo. He might like it better. Right here, Rollo boys. That one. That's it. Oh no, your body ain't big enough. Nah, it doesn't work on Rollo, it's too small. Yeah, Todd's like that. I mean, see when they run through the hallway, can you imagine it running through the hallway like that? Vivi, you need to get it on your dog. Thank you, Chanel. But yeah, that was pretty decent box. I think that must have been the £20 box, so not bad, and different stuff in comparison to our other mystery boxes. Oh my god, why do I get the feeling the piglet will be modelling the outfit tomorrow? Yes. I feel like the piglet will be so up for that. Or Tam, the goat. Tam would definitely wear that. Yes. We need to get Tam on it. Oh, sending you so much love, Rebecca. Oh, how could you have missed it, Chanel? No problem, Patty. Well, thank you for joining. I will be live tomorrow. I'm so sorry we were super late tonight, but hopefully, fingers crossed, Abbie gets a good result at the hospital tomorrow and starts to feel a bit better. Oh, I've got to sneeze. You need a How It's Farm fashion show. Oh my god, that would be so good. Tam will eat it. Do you think so? Maybe. The piglet would look so cool. Halloween piglets. Yeah, well, they're all there for Halloween. There's like 10. Oh, I will, Sue. Don't you worry. I'll not let you down. Send any love, Tracy. I hope you feel better soon. Stop sniffing, please. Well, I can't. I've got allergies. Sinus problems. So I'm going to have to sniff continuously unless you want to see a nasal drip. And, well, that's not very delightful if it's dripping down my jumper. I have an appointment at the ear, nose and throat to get a camera up my sinuses. That's going to go down well, not. I'll let you know tomorrow how Abs is. No, I'm not ill. I just get this. I get it like once a day at some point. It's like not allergies, sinus problems. That's why I'm like, or sound like I've got a cold. What would you name that piglet? Cole, obviously. Or Colby. Cole and Abbie mixed together is kind of cute. Thank you, Tina. Right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hasta la vista, baby.